I asked you to do a couple difficult questions from the homework assignment, from the previous homework assignment on page 101, and one of them is number 37, so I'm going to go over that with you so you know how to do it, or if you already did it, you can check your answer. Remember that consecutive means that one number comes after the other. So if we're talking about consecutive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, they're all consecutive. 1 and 2 are consecutive, 2 and 3 are consecutive, they come right after another. But what this is asking for is two consecutive even integers. Two consecutive even integers. So if you're talking about 2 and 4, those are two consecutive even integers. So if 2 is x, then 4 is x plus 2. And 6 would be x plus 4. And so on. So the question reads, 3 times the lesser of two consecutive integers. Okay, so here are our two consecutive even integers, x and x plus 2. And we are going to choose, we are doing 3 times the lesser. 3 times the lesser. Okay, which one's the lesser? This one. Now 3 times the lesser, there we go, is, remember, wherever you see the is, that's where the equal sign goes. So is 6 less than 6 times the greater number. So 6 less than 6 times the greater number. So we did 6 less than, but let me fix that. 6 less than. Six times the greater number. So now we see something that we can actually solve, and to me it looks less daunting than that difficult word problem that we just set up. So let's go ahead and solve it. We're going to distribute the 6. So you get 6x plus 12 minus 6 is equal to 3x. And 12 and negative 6, we get 6 equal to 3x. And we subtract 6x from both sides, we get negative 3x. And we find out that x is equal to negative 2. And the greater integer, the x plus 2 one, is going to be negative 2 plus 2, so we get negative 2 and 0. Well, okay, let's look at this next problem. And I was unable to take a screenshot of the textbook, so I'm trying to make the table that's on number 43. And it's pretty ugly, but bear with me, please. And what it says is, the table shows the number of mobile phone subscribers for 2 states for a recent year. How long will it take for the number of subscribers to be the same? So what we're looking at is time is going to be our independent variable. That's going to be our x value. So we're going to go ahead and set it up. And we have subscribers in Alabama and Wisconsin that already exist. So they're already there. So let's go ahead and reread this end part to be the same. How long will it take for the number of subscribers to be the same? Okay, to be the same. That's the key part of the sentence. That's why we put our equal sign there, because we're trying to figure out when they're going to be the same. Let's go ahead and put Alabama on one side, and we're going to put Wisconsin on the other side. Very cold state in America. Alabama, 3765. Okay, they're already there, so we're going to just put that in our equation. We're going to put that because they're there. And Wisconsin, we've got 3,842. And now we're looking at time. That's going to be our independent variable. So we're going to put x in for time, because we don't know what it is. That's what we're trying to figure out. And as far as Alabama goes, we've got 325 new subscribers per year. So 325 times time in years, plus the existing subscribers. And let's go ahead and do the Wisconsin side. We get 292 subscribers per year. And based on what I've seen from the class, you know how to take it from here. Good luck.